context of Singapore, and here is the result. To proceed further, the contribution of our research. Why we did this research? We researched this because we wanted to conceptualize the actual definition of boutique hotel that we have already shown you, and we already provided you with a matrix of keywords that has been listed in the research to provide you a fair idea of what boutique hotels actually are. The practical value is that it can be applied in any other geographical context when you are researching about boutique hotels. The commercial value of this research is that it sets a framework that actually helps the budding entrepreneurs or the one who are thinking of opening a hotel can actually convert their hotel into a boutique hotel. To conclude with, the proliferation of a boutique hotel in the world is inevitable. Boutique hotels, to some extent in Singapore, do match with the qualities as well as the services provided worldwide. But it is to be noted that every boutique hotel in Singapore has a unique characteristics which we found none of the boutique hotels repeating. Sophistication, personalization and diversification and distinctiveness are the selling points of boutique hotels. This is the reason why boutique hotels are quite successful. The market of boutique hotel is very small in Singapore, but though it is being small, these hotels are fairly performing very well. The reason are those three key words. To proceed further with our research is that replication of this study can be done in any other geographical context, places like India, China and any other ASEAN region. And a study comparing and contrasting between the definitions obtained from different geographical locations can actually be analyzed. If there are differences, it can be identified and those differences can be sorted out and it can give birth to another concept of boutique hotel in any other region, because we have seen from the literature and from the practical experience that boutique hotel from different countries, from different continents do vary because the culture and the taste and the preference is not the same all across the globe. Then further, this research can be used as a basis of performing any kind of research in the fields of boutique hotels. Lastly, it can be used to find out gaps between the hotel perception about the consumers and the consumers' expectations from the hotel operators. To acknowledge, I would like to sincerely thank Dr. Jenny Panchal and Dr. Ayan Chakravarti for their support and guidance. I would like all the participants of the study and lastly all of those who have directly or indirectly helped us building up and completing this research. Thank you so much.